few of you. This is Kiwis, Kui, Sao, Ocean, Chi, and I also have one from Cindy. Great job, Cindy. I'll show it in a moment. And Teddy also did hers. She has hers with her in person. So who can tell me about their drawing?
First is the sunlit. There is 3 zones. One in the ocean. One is sunlit zone. The sunlit zone has sunlight. Many plants and animals live there.
Very good. Keep going.
Number 2, the twilight zone. The twilight zone has a little sunlight there. A little animal live.
Yep.
Little animal live there.
Very good.
And number 3 is the midnight zone. The midnight zone has no sunlight there, no plant, and many animals have light.
Very good. I see Ocean has joined us.
Sunlight zone, twilight zone, my night zone, my night zone,
Good. Can you say twilight and midnight?
twilight, midnight.
Very good. Thank you, Ocean, for sharing. Me, City?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and tell us.
If under it can have dark, if you sometimes you will see it under the ocean, and sometimes you can see it very dark, and sometimes in there it's very dangerous. Because when I watch a video at Finding Nemo, I see under ocean sometimes it's very dark.
Yes, excellent job, Cindy. That's good for now since we're running low on time. But Cindy, that's really good. And I see you have medium, sometimes dark, light. Very good, Cindy. Thank you. So last one, let's do Teddy. Teddy, could you share part of your video or part of your drawing? Oh, excellent, Teddy. You have plenty of space to draw later. The drawing is really good. Go ahead and read what you wrote.
What is in the sunlight zone? Twilight zone. There are much less sunlight can go through. Night zone. In midnight zone. In midnight zone it's very dark, so sometimes animals have a special body part that can light up to see.
Excellent job. Very, very good, Teddy. Does anyone remember what that word means? What's the word, what that word is? What's the word when an animal can light up its own body? Bioluminescent. Okay, let's do a quick review. Everyone get ready to draw. Everyone go ahead and match the zone to the characteristic. Good job, Kui, Kwang Hai, Ocean. Zalin, I see you drawing. Okay, sunlight zone is warm. Twilight zone, cold. Midnight zone, freezing. Freezing means very cold. Freezing. Great job, guys. Let's try this one. Go ahead and draw your line. Sunlight zone has light. Twilight zone little light. Midnight zone, no light. Good work, guys. All right, let's see if you remember their sizes. Who remembers their sizes? Go ahead and draw. Yes, Kwang Hai, good job. Excellent work. Nice, Chi, Teddy, Ocean, good job. Keep it up, everybody. Zalin, good job. Cindy, I don't see your lines. Kiwi, Minha, Noob, Lehan, thank you. Good job. Okay, let's say the answers all together. Say on 3. What is the sunlight zone? Which one's the sunlight zone? Say medium, smallest, or largest. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Smallest.
Good, smallest. How about twilight? Twilight zone. 1, 2, 3.
Middle.
Good. And the midnight zone. 1, 2, 3.
Middle.
All right, I heard some mixed answers. The midnight zone is the largest. It's the biggest one. Okay, guys, last one. Go ahead and draw. Can plants grow or not grow? Good job. Sao, Ocean, Kiwi, Zalin, good, Noob, yes. Okay, sunlight zone, plants can grow. Midnight zone, plants can't grow. Twilight, plants can't grow. There are only a few algae that can grow right at the beginning of it. Other than that, there's just not enough sunlight and warmth. Welcome to Miss Miranda's science class. Today we're going to learn about ocean plants. First, sea animal, sea creature, and marine animal are all the same. Marine just means ocean, okay? Marine means ocean. So, marine animal or marine plant would be one that lives in the ocean habitat, okay? Good, marine. Excellent job. What zone can plants grow in?
Sunlight zone.
Correct. Good job, Sal. Sunlight zone has light and heat. What makes the light and heat? Cindy, what makes light and heat?
I don't know.
What makes light and heat in the ocean or just even on Earth? Chi?
The sun makes light and heat.
Excellent. The sun makes light and heat. Great job, Chi. That's why plants can grow in the sunlight zone, which goes down to about 200 meters. So when we're talking about ocean plants today, they'll all be in the sunlight zone. Does anyone know any ocean plants? Hannah and Emma, can you tell me an ocean plant?
Seaweed.
Good job, seaweed. Chi, I saw you had your hand up again, Chi.
Coral.
So coral's a special case. I'll talk about them in a little bit, but I'll write it there for now. That's all right. I just wanted to see what you guys already knew. But now let's go into learning them. But first, Kwang Hai, can you read this?
Coral are almost all animals.
Excellent job. So all the coral that you see in this picture are actually animals. Coral are not plants. They are animals. Amazing, I know. Your mind is blown. The coral are animals. Let's read about how coral can get food and energy if they can't move.
Coral use ocean plants like
This is algae and phytoplankton.
phytoplankton to get nutrients.
Very good. So they use the plants, algae, and phytoplankton to get nutrients. They are animals that eat plants and animals. Some coral even catch fish to eat. Let's learn about this algae. So algae are often called seaweed. There are many kinds of algae. Through photosynthesis is how plants make their own food, right? Animals have to eat plants or animals. Plants don't have to eat them because they make their own food through photosynthesis. Marine plants and algae provide much of the world's what? Teddy, could you please read starting from the word marine plants?
Marine plants and produce much of the world's oxygen supply and take in huge amounts of carbon dioxide. I don't know this word.
That's okay. Here, let's say a couple of them. Remember the first word here, this one is algae. Can you say algae?
Algae.
Good. And this word is provide.
Provide.
Nice. And this is dioxide.
Dioxide.
Excellent. Who knows what oxygen and carbon dioxide are? Everybody take a deep breath. I can see you in your videos. Everyone take a deep breath. Good job. That is oxygen. Carbon dioxide is the bad stuff. Carbon dioxide is what is making climate change and global warming. Because it's from our cars, from our factories. Okay, so algae and other marine plants make oxygen for us to breathe, and they take in, so they get rid of carbon dioxide. So marine plants and algae help make our air healthy. Let's see. Kwang Hai, how do marine plants and algae make our air healthy?
When when we breathe at the daytime, the tree for us oxygen, but when the night we need to go to the house and no tree in our house or room, because if we put in a house the window to turn open and the door are locked, we can be tired because when the night they will take the oxygen.
Very good, Kwang Hai, that's a good start. So the marine plants make oxygen. Kwang Hai is saying we can't live without oxygen, which means we can't live without marine plants. One plant is kelp. Here's a picture of a kelp forest. What do you see in this kelp forest?
Plants and little fish.
Excellent job, plants and little fish. Suri, Yes, Suri, could you read this paragraph for me?
It is a kind of ocean plant or seaweed based of keep or like forests in the ocean. They prove food and shelter are many kinds of
Ocean animals. Good job. Thank you, Kiwi. Can you say kelp? Suri, good job, Suri. Say kelp. Suri, can you say the word kelp? It's right here.
kelp.
Good. So that word is pronounced kelp. Good job, Suri. Thank you. So this kelp is the forest of the ocean. Okay, some kelp grow really, really tall. Lehan, can you read this paragraph about kelp for me and why kelp is important?
Kelp is important. This angel provides shelter and food for a lot of sea creatures. Humans use it for beautiful produce and medicine too.
Very good, Lehan. Can you say the word algae again? Algae.
Algae.
Very good. So algae is used for food and shelter by a lot of sea animals, and humans use it for beauty products like to clean your skin and for medicine. Even the sharks use the kelp for shelter and food. And remember, kelp is a seaweed. Kelp is a seaweed, which means, is kelp an algae? Kiwi's raising her hand. Anyone else think kelp is an algae? Lehan, Teddy, Chi, very good. So kelp is a seaweed, and right here it says this algae. Kelp is an algae, very good. We have one more algae to look at. This one's simply called red algae. Everyone say red algae on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Red algae.
Next is the most important plant in the food chain, phytoplankton. Everyone, I'm looking at your videos. I want to see your mouths say phytoplankton. Phytoplankton's the most important plant in the food chain. They're really small, but they're plants, so they make their own food. And it's an important source of food for a lot of animals. So phytoplankton make half of the world's oxygen. What would happen if the phytoplankton in the ocean all died? Lehan.
If the phytoplankton die, the fish will die too.
Yes, what else? What else would die if all the phytoplankton died? What would happen to us? Kwang Hai?
We will have no food.
No food? What else? Chi?
We will have no air.
Yes, that's the big one. Phytoplankton make half the Earth's oxygen. If half of the oxygen in our air disappeared, we would have no air. We would all die. Phytoplankton are important for food and for oxygen. Another important plant is seagrass. Why? Why might seagrass be important? No? How about Sal?
Because it gives us air.
It does give us air. That's an excellent answer, Sal. Lehan, do you have another reason? Or Teddy?
Seagrass is important because some animals use it for food, and without seagrass, that animal will not have food and die.
Excellent. That's a good start, Teddy. So seagrass is food. Sal said they make oxygen for us to breathe. Maybe sea turtles eat them. Little animals can use them for shelter and to hide. Here's a picture of some seagrass in the coral. Real quick, the word immune means you cannot be hurt by it. So if you're immune to a disease, it can't get you sick. So everyone recognizes this animal. This animal's in a sea anemone. Everyone say anemone.
Anemone.
Hannah and Emma say anemone.
Anemone.
The clownfish is immune to the stings of the sea anemone. Okay, so the anemone stings. Only the clownfish can survive in it. Okay, this provides a safe habitat for the fish, and in return, the clownfish cleans the sea anemone. Here's another picture of sea anemone. Here's a really cool one. Who remembers what a carnivore is? Kwang Hai, what's a carnivore?
Carnivore is an animal that eats vegetables, not eat meat.
So it's actually the other way around. So carnivore eats meat. Herbivore eats plant. Okay, so this plant right here is called a water wheel plant. Everyone say water wheel on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Water wheel plant.
Nice. Good job, everybody. This water wheel plant is a carnivore. It's a plant that eats meat. Whoa! What is the water wheel eating? Zalin, a little fish. Very good job, Zalin. The water wheel plant eats little fish. Okay, let's do a quick matching game. Everyone get ready to draw. All right, match these 3 words at the top to one of the plants at the top. Match these 3 words at the bottom to one of the plants at the bottom. Draw. Remember, it should only go from the word to the plant, not from plant to plant. All right, guys, it looks like we have seagrass going here, water wheel plant going mostly here, good job. Sea anemone goes all the way over here. Red algae, everyone got that one. Plankton, very good. And kelp, very good. Here's a kelp forest. Your homework tonight is to do a quiz. Okay, everybody, here's your quiz code, 431304. 431304. I can't wait to see who does the best. I'll say goodbye.